It's your boy back at you with a next episode. You get me? Basically, I just went on like a little sourcing thing. You get me? So I just wanted to like show you guys what I got. Basically, so that's what this video is. You know what I mean? And other than that, we're pretty much continuing the journey to freedom. First things first, which I was pretty hyped at, and I actually got these two things potentially for myself, but I'm probably just gonna sell them to be honest because I don't really do buy shit for myself. But anyway, I got these Vans trainers. They're fresh as F, you know. And the reason I got them is because of this cool logo on it. That and them being in like, to be honest, Chloe, I think these Vans might be new, you know. Well, I might just have to sell them as like a display shoe. That's, you know, when something might have just been like tried on around the house. I just put like display shoe. Anyway, these are Vans and they're literally like brand new, fam. And they're really cool. They're size 11, which is like my size, and I paid 15 for them. Mainly because I need shoes. This is the only pair of shoes I've got at the minute. I'm taking them off, you know. I don't want to take my shoes. I'll just show you my foot bottom minute. Hang on. These are the shoes. The only pair of shoes man has at the minute. There's a hole in there. You get me in the toe. And like these are from one other charity shop where I got lucky. So I was about to upgrade to these, and then also these like fucking LMFAO fucking trainers, man. You remember that band back in the day? LMFAO or whatever. The dudes with the afros. Anyway, these are just some cool Converse. These are pretty fresh, but these ones ain't brand new. But they're very good condition, and there was a tenner. So either way, I'm either going to keep or sell them. I didn't buy the price I paid. I didn't pay this price with intents to sell, but I paid this price with intents to wear. But even if I did sell them, I'd probably make a little something. I'm pretty sure I'd make my monies on both of them. My girlfriend got a bunch of books. These was actually free. Just like this pile of like free books in it. All these jeans are mine. Basically, the rest of the stuff in there is my girlfriend's books. So this is like the remainder of my haul. Now basically, I just got like there's a bunch of like True Religion jeans here. There's this one charity shop, someone must have just donated a bunch of True Religion. Ricky Relaxed or whatever. These was £4. These ones ain't the best condition ones. But there's no rips or anything around the hem. But what I mean by that is like the bottom here. And all of them are in good condition. These ones here, Levi's 501. I paid a fiver for these. Should get my money back on them. Levi 501 is like the better pair you want to be selling. These are some more True Religion. Also on True Religion, you want to check if the back pockets have the buttons because something to do with these designs. The buttons get ripped off on pretty much all of them. But all these True Religions have the buttons, which makes them more valuable because I'll still be getting 20 quid for Truies without the buttons. But that's with the original badge. This leather badge is obviously, it's a bit, I don't know, you know. I normally get like that big Buddha. So this is obviously a slightly different version. Whether they're worth more or less, I don't know. But these ones are a bit more cool. They've got like the USA flag in there with the black True Religion badge. But I'm hoping that, yeah, look, made in USA. Guaranteed these will be the more expensive ones. I don't know, I just know these ones will be worth more. I paid £3 for these. So I paid the cheapest for them. So that's basically what I got. A couple pairs of jeans, some shoes, and that's pretty much it. Let me just turn the camera back around now. Guys, this video is filmed the day after the last video. So the last episode you guys saw, this is tomorrow. So like yesterday I got some good shit, and today I got some good shit. Or did I go, Chloe? Did I go sourcing yesterday? Yeah, okay, I think I went sourcing yesterday, well, or maybe not, I don't know, but basically, it's all I know, guys, is I've been, like, sourcing regularly. I got a little bit of a death pile now. I got, like, these, this is part of my death pile, some G-Star Raw, brand new things, some TK Maxx. So basically, guys, I've just been trying to keep up a healthy death pile, so now I've got I'm listing 2 items every day for the remainder of this month. We're on like halfway through the month. So I've got one day's worth of listings there. 2 days. 3 days. I've got like 3.5 days buffer now. So I'm going to list 2 today, sorry. So now I've got like 2.5 days ahead of myself. So basically, I've still got to go out and source because I'm trying to get like a week ahead. And there's going to come a point at the end of this month where my sourcing is going to have to go up. So it's basically, I basically need to get a death pile. That's my goal. But I can only move as fast as the amount of money I've got in my bank account allows me to. So I'm playing a bit of a game, which is why I went to the charity shops today. And I actually been a bit spoiled because I've been hitting up TK Maxx and this retail arbitrage type of thing. But it's actually a lot more expensive to do that. And I think I've realised that today. I knew that anyway, but I'd conned myself. I need to do both. I can mix the 2 together, and when car boot season comes around, everything will be blessed, man, because I can pick up things for £1, £2, anywhere from 0 to a fiver at a car boot sale. Whereas at the minute, I've been paying anywhere from £5 to £20 for an item. So I need to get my prices back down so I can get more stock. Whether some of my stock's just gonna have to be used again. But there's some swag used stuff out there, like you said. I got some True Religion and that, and some Levi's, and we'll just play the game. 2 listings at a time. Oh, sorry guys, I got fucking hiccups. 2 listings at a time. So if I list my 2 today now, I'll be on basically 24 listings for the month. I've sold a couple more items today, so hopefully I'll be on like maybe 17 sales for the month now, whereas yesterday I was on like 14. So hopefully I've sold like 2 or 3 items today. It's basically people have like given me offers, but I'm just waiting for them to pay, and sometimes they don't pay, so we'll see. But other than that, guys, pretty much I was just checking in to show you what I picked up today and just to keep the ball rolling, you get me. But other than that, smash the subscribe button. I've got like a short-term eBay YouTube goal to get to 100 subscribers on this channel, so help me get there, because I'm not sure if I've even got one yet like along this journey, so that would be nice. Someone subscribe, smash the like button, you get me. Other than that, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.